Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In previous tutorial we have created one table of sales forecast. In this video tutorial we will be learning about various font related options. Mostly these font related options are covered in Microsoft Word, but it's also important to format your data. So I am covering these font related option in this video lesson. So let's get started. First of all, I can see that my merge is one cell larger, so I am demerging it and merging it again with 5 cell. So now it looks good. Now here you can see there are a font option available at home ribbon. So to increase font size, if you have noticed, I have increased font size using these numbers. So you can increase font size from here. Select the font size you want in your document. So it will increase by this drop down of font size. So this is about increasing and decreasing font size. Now to change color of font, you can use this font color palette. So from here you can change color of your font. I'm selecting this orange color, and to change font style or font you can go to this drop down menu. I'm selecting Verdana and it is looking good. You can make your font bold, italic and underline. I am just removing underlined and italic. If you want double underline, then this is new option provided by Microsoft Excel. It will double underline your text. I am removing this double underline. So this way you can give various font style and various style to your text. You can also add background to your font. So now background to this cell is added, but I am removing it and setting it to white. So this is about some font related options. Thank you very much.